It's not a secret that Bay Area real estate prices are high. In fact, we live in one of the most expensive areas in the nation. Homeownership is hard to reach for many first-time homebuyers, especially here in the Bay. Now, did you know that there are programs out there to help first-time homebuyers with the down payment? There's a new program right now that gives buyers up to 10% of the purchase price, and it can be forgiven. That's right, if the property is your primary residence, it can be completely forgiven. You don't have to pay it back, it's basically free money. Hey guys, Gwen here with Intero Real Estate at Burlingame, helping you learn about our dynamic and fast-moving Bay Area real estate market. Let's jump right into it. Did I get your attention? I hope so. In fact, who doesn't want free money? Well, what is this program? The program is actually provided by the CalHFA. This is the California Housing Finance Agency, and the program is called the Forgivable Equity Builder Loan. Basically, this program gives first-time homebuyers a head start with an immediate equity via a loan. So they basically will give you up to 10% of the purchase price, and the loan could be completely forgiven. First, let's go over the definition of what a first-time homebuyer is through CalHFA. So these are basically people who have never ever owned a home. Or they could be someone who has not owned or occupied their home in the last 3 years. So basically, if you've owned a home 3 or more years ago but sold it, these are people that consist of people that have purchased out of the area and then sold within 3 or more years ago to relocate, or people that have bought with their spouse, separated, and sold 3 years ago. They also qualify. And lastly, they could be longtime homeowners that have sold and became a renter 3 years ago. They also qualify in this program. There are some requirements. These are basic standard credit and loan requirements that are standard for any type of loan. And then there's also the CalHFA income limit, which is different for every county, so make sure to look that up specific to the county that you want to live in. And then there's also the property eligibility requirements. So the property must be within California, and it has to be a single family residence. It can't be a duplex, triplex, or a fourplex. However, a condominium or a PUD, planned unit development, also qualify in this program. As for the actual down payment assistance, it's pretty neat. It's actually a loan that has 0% interest, although you may have to pay it back a portion of it if you do not occupy the property as your primary residence. This is what they call a silent second. So there's no payment until the home is actually sold or refinanced. So if you continuously occupy the home as your primary residence for 5 years, it can be completely forgiven. Wiped out, you don't have to owe them anything. Keep in mind, this loan program is not for everyone. You'll want to talk to a loan officer to understand the eligibility. Now, if this program doesn't fit your needs, there's other first-time homebuyer programs out there to help guide you and get you one step closer to home ownership. Well, if you're thinking of making a move, give me a call, shoot me a text, or send me an email. Let's sit down and come up with a game plan that's right for you. Until then, I appreciate you watching. Check out this next video if you're thinking about buying.